Hey, welcome back. So we're working on a Mazda CX-5. It's a 2022. I want to see if it's going to get hit with that pin code thing. I did a video on that before. I had to use a D1 form, but I want to see if I can go the other route and go through the Mazda website and pay more but less paperwork. So let's go ahead and see. Some of the Mazdas I noticed, they're like hit or miss if you need to do the pin code or if it's automatically with the SmartPro. Not quite sure. Check out the YouTube channel, Advanced Diagnostics. They cover that on what to do. I'll put the links below. Very helpful. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. And 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Okay. Okay, let's press it. Does it? It turns orange. Yes. And we switch it on. Yes. Let's see. Let's bypass security. Yes to bypass. And let's see. Okay, so failed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Mazda website and we're going to create an account. We're not going to do a NASA D1 form. We're going to do the basic one in case you don't have that. For some of the people in the org. Let's get started. Okay, so we went through the Mazda website. We updated and created a basic access. It cost me $50. The video when they made this, it said 35. Now it's 50. That's the price you pay for doing these expensive keys, I guess. Cool. So we have the VIN number. We're going to get this information from the SmartPro. Let's go ahead and proceed. So we're going to go back. No. Let's do add keys, same configuration. Let's turn it off and turns orange, yes. And it turns on. Okay. No, we can't bypass it. Let's hit no. We have 2 keys. So we're gonna get this information now. So we have part number. And we have PX43-1. Okay, and submit. Let me check my email. So I just see this, it says 15 minutes will be processed. I did this other time with the D1 form. It was instant. Interesting. Okay, cool. So there's 2 different ways to do this. Fast way and a slow way. So as I'm sitting here waiting for that email to come through, the vehicle honks. I'm not doing the bypass at all. It honked 2 times like it normally does when I'm doing the bypass. I have the original key. I have the new key. Let's go ahead and see if it works. I'm going to put foot on the brake pedal and... Oh, look at that. Interesting. Okay, and if I remember correctly, so that's registered. Cool. I will turn it off, and then I will start each vehicle with that one. And then turn it on with this one. Okay, and let's see. Buttons. Nothing. Interesting. Okay, it didn't work. It just made random honk noises. It sensed it, but it's not like false hope right there. Okay. Weird. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 11 minutes and I got the email. I took a picture and I have it on my tablet. So I got that information. And let's go ahead and continue. So let's enter the INCODE. INCODE is going to be seven. There we go. Jeez. So INCODE 784A. 784A. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, cool. I'm just going to wait another 10 minutes. for it to honk. Technically it's 7 minutes. And again, we'll use the push start and we'll finish that. Cool. So hopefully this video will help if you have the D1 access or if you don't, and we can problem solve. Now, I guess the advantage is looking at with Mazda and looking at like how TIS works. So if you line up multiple Mazdas to get them all done, you have access for that 24-hour window. So you can do, you know, $50 and you can do like 3 Mazdas in one day or in that time frame. So you schedule those appointments and you can crank through all of them, and then you'll save money, you'll maximize your time and effort, and that's a cool thing. Same thing with Toyota. So that's something I learned recently, to just maximize your subscriptions and go that way. Cool, we'll come back when this beeps. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. The horn did not honk at the 7-minute mark or the 10-minute mark. Let's just go ahead. I've seen this in the past where the horn doesn't honk because of vehicle issues. Let's go ahead and proceed. Failed to bypass security. Okay, that's why. Wrong INCODE. Okay. Well, that's that. Interesting. So I tried it again, and I'm going to see what happens. So I'm going to enter this. Oh, cool. So I'm going to wait another 15 minutes and get that information, and we'll take it from there. Okay, new PIN code. Let's go ahead and try and see. So recap, I went ahead and entered the second time, waited that 7 minutes and then a 10-minute timer, and it basically failed and went straight to failed to bypass. Wrong INCODE again, even though the VIN number, outcode is all correct. I think it's a vehicle issue. I've never really encountered that in the world of Mazda, and I've done other stuff, so not sure, but I guess that's the process of how to go through and get that PIN code through Mazda if you don't have your D1 NAFTA credentials, and you can be just a regular locksmith without your license. I guess in case that's in your state that no license needed. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.